I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. I gotta double my currency. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. And y'all haters won't worry me. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. I gotta double my currency. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. And y'all haters won't worry me.
It always feels like somebody's watching me, but I still get paper, paying no tax, I ain't doing no labor. Since I got my first grip, I ain't never been the same. If I could do it again, I don't think that I could change. Yeah, it's been a tough road, but I shouldn't complain. For some fly for real, baby, I jumped out of plane. When I fell through the clouds and I landed on the earth, I finally figured out what my life really worth. But it didn't last long, cause money making is first. So good at getting cash, it's my gift and my curse. I can't help what I do, this the way that I am. Always scheming on the plan to get my stacks by the grand. Man, I'm all about my music, used to be about the pans. A wet dream for me, 10 million rubber bands.
I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. I gotta double my currency. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets.
Yeah.
And y'all haters won't worry me.
Yeah, let's get it. These streets made me, but they can't contain me. When I blow up, I'm leaving brains on the ceiling. I'm official heat bag, like O.J. Simpson. You know I did everything the crown just mentioned. You haters need to listen, I'm a Peg City icon. I got stomp beats bumping on an iPod. I got ideas in my head like the lights on. I got fish scales straight from a python. Forget these haters and forget these jets. I rose through the ranks cause I make these papers. And I do feel like somebody's watching me. Except this time, it's cause I'm on TV. The money out here either makes you or breaks you. Turns your friends and your family against you. You can't trust nobody with money. They take the law in their own hands and dump the body.
I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. I gotta double my currency. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. Think y'all haters won't worry me.
Let's go. Yeah, money, money, yeah, I make money, money, and I take money, money right out there, hood. Yeah, buddy, buddy, yeah, buddy, buddy, yeah, you know I'm sitting good. Yeah, live with the killers pointing. Now I'm in the real, it's the home of the realest, and they know when they see us. Yeah, we roll with the heaters, got a million folks with a little bit of magic in the collar hopes folks, and don't ever put your money into something like close. And I know somebody's broke, but I don't even try to notice. Couldn't count as many people try to tell me I was hopeless. Now they see me when I'm rolling, and I'm sorry it ain't stolen. And you know that what I'm holding is the home of the golden. Better protect your boy with a little bit of chosen, cause I'm on these streets till the day that I die. Winnipeg most got money on their mind. Let's do it.
I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. I gotta double my currency. I'm trying to get right. I'm out here on these streets. Think y'all haters won't worry me.
Look, I got tired of dreaming and master screaming. Go ahead, do it. Don't be scared. Who cares? They refuse it. They owe it to the fans. They're waiting in the stands with 3 fingers up on each hand. This is where I belong. And even if it took too long, the abstinence makes that love strong. It let me get a view. A fool was soon. Now what it do? Now I focus all my energy on you. You can't tell me nothing. I conquered it all. As soon as you get on top, then they want you to fall. Yeah, I said I'm gonna stop. Then I walked through the mall, and they said this ain't the die if I'm not involved. So my destiny's calling. I guess that I'm all in. I know you waited long now. I ain't stalling, and I can't call it. I'm far from a star, but a comment. Who's tired of the goddamn nonsense? Who wants it?
Fear falling, fear slipping on my mission. I ain't trying to be falling down. From the bottom to the top, can't stop now, homie. I done made it this far. This is my destiny, right where I'm supposed to be. Money right, game
I came a long way. Long before you heard my songs play, I was throwing fists in Bombay. Progressively aggressive, never knew the calm way. Never had direction, so this the life that called me, and this is my reply. Plotting my position, I remember wishing I would die. Mama raised a Christian, but this devil making angels cry. Tables turned, label mine, super brain enable mine. See my shot, I'm taking mine, and I ain't backing down from shit. I hope that you can see me now. Used to be so hopeless, found my focus, making mama proud. Got my second chance at this, you can't dismiss the cancerous. Switch stance, I'm landing tricks, man, I never planned for this, but here I am, taking flights, taking chances, shake the dice. Found my place, faces ice, never late to take advice. Immunity to loneliness, ain't nobody close to me. Made it to my destination, right where I'm supposed to be.
Fear falling, fear slipping on my mission. I ain't trying to be falling down.
Falling down,
From the bottom to the top, can't stop now, homie. I done made it this far.
made it this far.
This is my destiny,
Yeah.
right where I'm supposed to be. Money right, game tight, damn